In this video, I'm going to show you how to snooze an email, move an email, and schedule an email to send later. So what I'm going to start with is to schedule an email to send later. I'm going to send this to my friend. I'm just going to say homework. So what you're going to do is under the send, you're going to click schedule send. And I'm going to set this for tomorrow morning. Or you could set a custom time. Let's say I wanted this to send today at 9 p.m. I'm going to do that. Click send, and then your email will be sent at 9 p.m. that same day. Next, I'm going to show you how to move an email. So I'm going to go to my drafts. This is that same email. Let me click one of these. So I right click, go to move, and then you can move it. You can create a new folder, or you can move to another inbox. So I'm just going to click archive, and that email's moved. And then lastly, I'm going to show you how to snooze an email. Okay, right click, go down to snooze. I'm going to snooze until later today, or you can choose a date. I'm going to choose Friday, 8 a.m. Save, and then that email is snoozed. And then there you go. It'll pop up in your email again when that time comes. Thank you.